Hello, my name is Dr. Navneet Boddu. I am a regenerative medicine specialist. I'm here with Maria Robles, a serial entrepreneur, a professional athlete who spent her career helping people feel confident, both inside and out. And now, as a CEO of Robles BioCeutics, she brings the same mission into the world of regenerative skincare. We are here to tell you about a totally new way of activating the body to become younger, an approach that we are developing as a part of our cosmetics. And now we published a new approach in the top medical journals with Maria as a senior author.
Thank you so much, Dr. Boddu. We are honored to have such a strong team of scientists and doctors as co-authors, and most importantly, to have you as first author.
What I love about this paper is that it really supports what we are doing at Robles BioCeutics, understanding why skin stops repairing itself as we age and how to teach it to start repairing itself. For a long time, people thought it was just because we ran out of stem cells, but that's not the whole story.
Exactly, and what research is showing now is that as we age, we build up these damaged senescent cells, or what people call zombie cells. They don't die when they should, and they release toxic factors that block regeneration and causes inflammation. And that's where our approach stands out. Our technology focuses on removing those senescent cells so the body's own stem cells can finally do their job again.
That's right. What's really unique about Robles BioCeutics is that we are combining senolytics, agents that target those zombie cells, with the stem cell-based science. No one else in cosmetic is doing this combination.
It's an entirely new way of thinking about anti-aging. Instead of just treating from the surface, we're addressing the root cause of why the skin stops renewing itself. It's about helping the skin function the way it was designed to be healthier, stronger, and more youthful from within.
I couldn't agree more. It's exciting to see real regenerative medicine concepts finally applied to skincare in a meaningful way.
Absolutely. And this is just the beginning of redefining what's possible in skin regeneration.